All right, sorry, this is the last video for this. I got cut off with students coming in with the last YouTube video. So example 4, write an equation of perpendicular line now. So if you look here, this is my x, this is my y. Now if we want a perpendicular line, we want the opposite reciprocal of 1/3. So the opposite of positive 1/3 will be negative. And the reciprocal of 1/3 is 3/1, or just 3. Okay, so it looks like they do solving for b. I'll just switch it up and I'll do point slope here. So again, I have m equals -3, x is -3, and y is 4. So now I'll go 4. Y minus 4 equals -3, x plus 3. Now I'll distribute. Y minus 4 equals -3x minus 9. And I add 4. So sorry about that. My equation that's perpendicular would be y equals -3x. And then it's going to be not minus 9, but plus 4 to that, minus 5. So that's my equation that's perpendicular. Just to prove it to you, because I like to do these on Desmos, just to kind of show it to you here. So if I go back to Desmos where I was before, and I put those in, so I got -3x. The original was, that one was -3x minus 5, and the other one that we started with was 1/3 x plus 2. So you can see it's perpendicular, and the new one we just went should go through -3, 4. If I look, it goes right there. Sorry, I did that last time too. -3, 4. So that works. So the last thing I'm going to do for this guide notes is the checkpoint. So at the bottom, you have 2 questions to try, and I'll explain it, and then you can pause the video. Determine which line, whether or not the line that goes through these 2 coordinates or line B that goes through these 3 coordinates, if they are perpendicular or not perpendicular. And then a perpendicular line that goes through 4, -2 and has a perpendicular to 5x plus 2. So pause the video now and try that. Okay, so if you did it right for number 3, hopefully you put yes, they are negative reciprocals. So when you get the slope, you get 1/2 for slope A and -2 for slope B. So yes, they're negative reciprocals. For number 4, it looks like I did the solve for B method, and that one did get pretty fractiony. It was y equals -1/5 x minus 6/5. So you can see I had to multiply -1/5 times 4 is -4/5. Then I'm solving for B, so I add 4/5 to both sides. I had to get like denominators, and then that gave me -6/5 for B. So that could have been pretty difficult. So now you'll see it on the Google Classrooms. The homework that you're doing, along with the one I gave you in class, is on page 32. And you no need to upload this, but your homework is along with the other homework. This one comes from your packet. So page 32, numbers 2 to 14 even. I'm going to check this in person along with the other one that said 5.5 classwork/homework. So when I see you next, I'm going to check 2 homeworks in person, this one and this one. I hope by the time you watch this, you had a great Halloween, and I will see you next week.